Today's topic is temperate grassland. What is temperate grassland? A temperate grassland is a grassland that is large area covered. This is the picture. This picture is signify, or this picture is located where is grassland is present. This is the portions America, North America, South America, Africa, and Asia. This portions, this type of color is signify these portions have a grassland. Grassland have two types. Number one, tropical, and number two is temperate. Where is this grassland is find out? Number one, South America, they are called the pampas. Different name, our different places. This grassland. Number one, this Paris called America, North America. And number two, steppes. Steppes is called who is called steppes? Steppes is called Asia, and South America they are called the pampas, and in Africa called wild. So, and different type of animals live in this place. Number one, the springbok is a kind of antelope found in the wild area. Number two, this American bison of Paris is this. Look at this picture. This is the bison, and this animal is found in America, and it is in African cheetah. We know that very well. Africa is famous for their animal. Number third, that is this bird. This bird is found in America, relatively the ostrich. They are relative to ostrich. Life of people, how the peoples live in this area. The people of the soil temperate grassland is a very good for growing crops. So large parts of these lands are used for growing wheat, corn, and other crops. These Paris are among the most fertile crops growing a region of the world. In part of the grassland where rainfall is low and crops do not grow very well, people raise animals such as cattle and sheep. The short grass growing in these areas is used to feed the animals. The animals are reared for their milk, skin, and wool. So I know that the sheep have a wool, but their gives us also milk. So it is the main things, that is we are just use this animal skin or animals milk. And South America they are called the gauchos. So tribes, who is tribes? Tribes mainly those peoples are live in this type of area. They are called tribes. Tribes or nomadic animals. Herbs have lived in temperate grassland since ancient times. The Kaid peoples of the steppes graze sheep, yaks, and horses, and lives in round tents called yurts. They move seasonally with their animals in. These peoples are seasonally they move or change their places, and due to they are easily collect their food easily. They are somehow some portions is at the time of hot in desert at the period of time of summer. The people is not live in summer in desert, as because the temperature is very high, very warm, very hot. So that's why they are changed their place in different places. And somehow the coldest place in the in mountain area at the time of period winter, the snowfall is fallings, and that time the people is changed their place. So these type of peoples are called this type of peoples is nomadic people or animals hereby they have a live in temperate grassland since ancient time. They are moved their places with their with their animals or with their pet animals also called that. That's all. People are nomadic herders of the wild. Most of them have now given up the nomadic way of living. So the plains Indias are tribes of people such as the Blackfoot, Epic who have lived in pairs since ancient times. Look at these peoples. This is the picture, our ancient picture. We just live the type of that type. That times peoples have no house. Proper house means proper house. They are living tent. They are living in cave. So this time started the people how they are live and how they are use the different land and how they are utilize the every animals. Okay. So you study very carefully.